Oh my god. Where's the lid?
Where's the lid? Everybody find the lid. We're looking for the lid.
God, it's so stupid. What did you like throw lids? Why are you taking a video of me?
I'm taking a video of everything, Cassie. This is going on our channel. Oh, thanks for the
You're
light.
not putting
This
that
is
on-
my living room.
You're
Okay.
not putting that on your channel.
I'm not. It's just gonna be like.
You're
for
not
fun.
putting the video.
This isn't going on the channel. Oh shit!
Now you can put it on the channel. You can put it all over the channel. All over the channel.
I'm putting it on the channel.
The
She's
channel.
cleaning the kitchen. Can you believe it? Oh shit!
Oh my god, find this fucking puppy before he like goes ballistic.
Everybody, we're searching the house for the puppy. I'm gonna have to believe. Nope. You guys are gonna see the inside of my house. Not until we find that puppy.
Look at
Do you guys see it down there? No.
You are so dumb in this house.
Yeah, these guys are fucking retards. Fucking idiots. Okay,
What is this shit?
that is a bag of trash. You have anything else to say, Chase?
What?
Just talk really loud, actually, so all can hear you.
What about you?
So talk loud.
Hi!
That's good. Found you, Lucas, you freak. Sorry, get back in your room, you. Yeah, get in your bed. Why is he chasing me?
Where are you in bed, Lucas? What the fuck is the door? Why is the door open? Huh? 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 Huh?
Her face is gonna get us a bunch of views. Her face is gonna get us a bunch of views, Chase.
Really? Lucas? Really? Really? Turn on. The puppy's in here. You're getting the home spanking.
No.
Because I know you like to make excuses to stay up.
I don't know. I don't know where he is.
Ethan?
When you watch it, you're gonna die laughing, Cassie, so you shouldn't be complaining.
Everything.
Okay.
Lay down!
Hey, we need light for the video. We can't say anything.
I bet you it's in mom's room. We can't go in there.
Oh shit.
Lucas, you're gonna have to go to bed. It's in mom's room.
Sorry, Christmas is coming. We can't go in our mother's room.
Without him tonight. Tonight is the night without him.
I'm gonna have to end this video early.
Puppy. Stop it.
You know what? Rudolph is gonna sleep with you inside a puppy tonight.
It's Rudolph, guys.
Oh.
Rudolph!
Santa! This is Santa's person!
Ah!
This is Santa's person! And Santa told me to give you him.
Puppy.
Santa's not bringing you. I can't go in mom's room!
Let's leave this commotion. This is Chase.
Ethan!
Chase.
Oh, the dirt bike.
Oh, guys, you guys gonna go hear the dirt bike? The crying dirt bike. It's a crying dirt bike.